I know the exact struggle. You want to eat clean, but you're completely sick of plain, tasteless meals that make you hate your fitness journey. That stops today. Just look at this incredibly juicy lemon pepper chicken. 60 grams of protein, only 400 calories, and the taste is out of this world. If you want to actually enjoy your food while hitting your macros, watch this video to the very end and let's leave the boring diets behind. Welcome everyone to my first ever YouTube video. I see so many people struggling with boring food just to hit their goals, and it doesn't have to be that way. On this channel, I'm dropping high protein, low calorie recipes packed with flavors. Watch this video to the end and let's stop torturing ourselves with boring diet food.
Stop it. Get some help.
I am going to use 250 grams of chicken breast for this recipe. And listen up very carefully. When you track your macros, the state of the meat actually matters. Always weigh your chicken breast raw. 100 grams of raw, skinless chicken breast is going to give you roughly 120 calories and massive 23 grams of protein. I am slicing mine into these really thin strips. Now you might ask, why am I slicing this into thin strips instead of leaving it in big chunks? It is simple. Big chunks of chicken breast are going to completely slow down your cooking process. So do not just throw giant thick pieces into your pan. Either chop it into small bite-sized pieces or slice it into thin strips exactly like me. And we want this meal done fast. Cutting it into thin strips ensures it cooks incredibly quick, it cooks completely evenly, and you are left with absolutely zero rawness inside. Now, here we will start with our first step, marinating the chicken. Transfer all of those sliced strips right into a mixing bowl. Next up is the garlic. I finally chopped about 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, but we are only using half of it for the marinade right now. We will save the other half for the lemon pepper sauce later. So if you add all at once, well, then you have a problem.
We got a problem?
After that, add a half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Now let me tell you what happened. When I woke up this morning and looked in the fridge, I realized I had absolutely zero dark soy sauce. I literally had to go all the way to the market and spend 30 extra minutes just to grab this one ingredient before I could even start making this recipe. So considering that effort, I think I definitely deserve a like on this video right now.
I deserve it though, I put in work.
So just smash that like button right now before adding half a teaspoon of that dark soy sauce. And just a quick heads up, I added 1 teaspoon of chili flakes right here, but I completely forgot to press the record button. Yes, it happens sometimes, which is exactly why you should never watch this video on mute. Now, if you cannot handle the spice, do not worry, you are not weak.
You're so weak.
Just adjust the spice level to whatever works for you. Next, I am adding some salt and fresh lemon juice. And I just want to remind you guys that spices contain barely any calories at all. So if you ever see someone showing off their sad boiled food diet, share this video with them right now to show them exactly how stupid they are being. Now we will finish marinating the chicken by adding this fresh coriander leaves and mixing it all perfectly together. Now you might be wondering, how long does it need to sit? If you want to really enhance those flavors, you can leave it to marinate for 45 to 50 minutes. But if you are in a rush, you can just start cooking it right away. Either way, it works perfectly. Trust me on this.
Trust me, I'm like a smart person.
Now while the chicken is enjoying its time marinating, I'm going to prepare a cornstarch slurry. And yes, you heard me right. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch is only about 30 calories. And it is absolutely not as harmful as people make it out to be. It is just a simple, refined carbohydrate used primarily for thickening. While it does not provide any vitamins or fiber, we are using it to make our food actually taste incredible instead of feeling like a pure torture. So it is perfectly fine. Just chill out a bit and please do not scream in my comment section about it. Now I'm going to move forward and actually start cooking the chicken. And please, do not mind my video angles. I'm here to teach you how to prepare delicious food, not to show off my videography skills. I'm using exactly 1 teaspoon of oil. Now you might be wondering how I can cook this with so little oil. It is because I use this beautiful microcrystal non-stick pan for my daily cooking. It uses barely any oil, so you do not end up with any extra hidden calories, which can mess up your progress. Now if you want the link for this exact pan, it is available right in my Instagram bio. I'll put my handle name on the top of the screen, so just go over there, hit follow button for more extra tips, and you will find the pan link waiting for you. Once that oil is nicely heated up, go ahead and add the chicken. Make sure to spread it out evenly across the pan so it cooks perfectly on all sides. Now if you check my Instagram, we have around 16,000 followers over there, and I know exactly why so many of you connect with this. After I gained weight and had to shift my focus completely to clean eating, I struggled hard at first. Let's be real. If you're forcing down plain, boring food every single day, you're going to absolutely hate your fitness journey. There is zero excitement, and eventually you will give up and fall right back into the weight gain trap.
अच्छा हमको सिखा रिया है
I made that exact mistake earlier, but as a hotel management student obsessed with cooking, I'm here to put that excitement back onto your plate so you never quit again. That is why I make these videos to give you simple, high protein recipes so you can get fit without the torture. So if you are with me on this journey, give a like to this video and hit that subscribe button right now to make a promise to yourself to never settle and eat better. Now once the chicken is cooked, do not even think about washing that pan after taking the chicken out. Keep all that flavor right there. Just add 1 more teaspoon of oil and toss in the rest of the garlic we saved along with the green chillies. This is going to be extremely spicy. If you cannot handle it, you can leave the chillies out. But if you want to struggle a bit tomorrow morning, throw them in. Let's have some fun together. We need that deep roasted flavor, so let the garlic and chilies get a nice charred color. You will start getting this intense burning aroma, and when your mom standing next to you starts coughing, that is exactly when you know you're doing a fantastic job. Next, go in with exactly 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and immediately add water to slow down the cooking. At this point, your kitchen will be smoking like crazy, and your mom will probably start shouting at you.
Get out, get out, get out!
Hold your grounds and do not give up. Once that water hits a boil, pour in the cornstarch slurry we prepared earlier and squeeze half a lemon directly over the top. Let it thicken up. You will see lumps forming in the pan, and we absolutely need that before we thin it out. This builds a rich, saucy base. If you add water before it gets thick, you will lose the consistency and end up with a soup. Do not do it.
Don't do it.
After it thickens up, add some water again and mix it vigorously so there are 0 lumps left. Adjust the water for your desired consistency, but do not make the mistake of adding too much or you will completely ruin it. Just look at mine, this right here. This is exactly what we need. Now the chicken is cooked and the lemon pepper sauce is ready. So let's bring it all together. Toss that cooked chicken right back into the sauce. You need to mix this until every single piece is perfectly soaked and coated. Let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes on a low flame so it absorbs all those flavors. I went ahead and added some more crushed pepper right at the end. Now this part is entirely up to you. If you want that extra kick, add it in or just leave it exactly as is. Here is the best part about my recipes. I give you ingredient by ingredient macros. You can check the entire recipe right down in the description. I have broken down the exact calories and protein for every single ingredient so you guys don't have to do any guesswork. Yes, I put in that much effort for you guys. So if you still have not hit that subscribe button, right now is the perfect time to do it. And there is it. Our lemon pepper chicken is completely ready. This entire batch packs a massive 60 grams of protein for only about 400 calories. Whether you are a hardcore fitness freak or just starting out on your weight loss journey, this is exactly what you need. Finish it off by garnishing with some fresh coriander leaves, just like I'm doing right here. I personally like to pair it with exactly 120 grams of cooked white rice, which gives me an additional 156 calories and about 4 more grams of protein. If you are eating it with rice, just split this entire meal into 2 equal portions. If you have genuinely loved this video and are ready to stop eating boring food, smash that like button and make sure to hit subscribe. I am coming back with a lot more incredible recipes just like this one. If you are on your fitness journey, you should never settle and eat better.
Are you still here? The video is over. See you in the next one.